Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom private treaty home in Mandeville. It comes with 2 dining rooms, living room, kitchen with granite countertops, entry foyer, office, double carport, storeroom, laundry room, side porch, is and earth closets, kitchenette, seated area, patio, front balcony, gazebo, and pool house. As was mentioned earlier, this is a private treaty house, so internal viewing is not allowed. Guys, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 60 million or US $390,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.